Another day, another story. Welcome to our special presentation, Turmeric Unleashed, exploring 20+ scientifically proven health benefits. Today, we're diving deep into the fantastic world of turmeric, a spice that's been cherished for centuries and is now capturing the attention of modern science. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a golden treasure trove of health benefits backed by scientific research. So, grab your notepad, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Turmeric, a vibrant golden spice derived from the Curcuma longa plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Recently, modern science has delved into its potential health benefits, revealing a plethora of scientifically proven advantages. From its active compound curcumin to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric has captured the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. In this article, we delve into over 20 evidence-backed health benefits of turmeric, shedding light on its potential to promote overall well-being. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind #turmeric and its remarkable effects on human health. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin, the primary bioactive compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making turmeric a natural ally against chronic inflammation linked to various diseases. 2. Antioxidant defense. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress and potential damage. 3. Brain health. Curcumin may cross the blood-brain barrier, potentially contributing to improved cognitive function and offering neuroprotective effects. 4. Heart health. Turmeric has been linked to improved heart health by aiding in the regulation of blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Arthritis relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric may provide relief to individuals suffering from arthritis by alleviating joint pain and stiffness. 6. Digestive aid. Turmeric can support digestive health by stimulating bile production and aiding in digestion, potentially easing discomfort from indigestion. 7. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that curcumin may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors in certain types of cancer. 8. Diabetes management. Turmeric may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potential adjunct in diabetes management. 9. Skin health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may contribute to clearer and healthier skin, aiding in the management of skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. 10. Weight management. Curcumin has been investigated for its potential to support weight loss by influencing metabolism and reducing inflammation associated with obesity. 11. Liver support. Turmeric's hepatoprotective properties can aid in detoxifying and supporting liver function, potentially mitigating liver damage. 12. Immune boosting. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric may help strengthen the immune system, promoting resilience against infections. 13. Gut health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to a balanced gut environment, potentially alleviating symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases. 14. Respiratory health. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects may aid in managing respiratory conditions like asthma and allergies. 15. Pain management. Turmeric's natural analgesic properties can provide relief from various types of pain, ranging from headaches to muscle soreness. 16. Bone health. Curcumin's potential to enhance bone density and reduce bone resorption could contribute to improved bone health. 17. Mood regulation. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have antidepressant effects by modulating neurotransmitter levels in the brain. 18. Anti-aging benefits. The combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects could contribute to healthier aging and the prevention of age-related diseases. 19. Eye health. Curcumin's potential to protect against oxidative stress may benefit eye health and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 20. Wound healing. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties could aid in wound healing and reduce the risk of infections. 21. Allergy relief. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate allergy symptoms by reducing histamine release. 22. Oral health. Turmeric's antibacterial effects may support oral health by reducing bacterial growth and inflammation in the mouth. Well, there you have it, folks. Turmeric Unleashed, exploring 20+ scientifically proven health benefits. The science is clear, and the benefits are undeniable. Turmeric is a golden gift that can transform your health journey. So, go ahead, embrace the power of turmeric, and let it unleash its magic in your life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay golden, and remember, #turmeric is your secret weapon. Thanks for watching.